Automate those time-consuming month-end journals with dynamic allocations. So what do we mean by allocation? Allocation is the process of spreading costs across nominals, entities, customers, projects, or any other dimension that you want to. The typical process we see before customers have dynamic allocations looks something like this. So number one, you do a manual extraction of data. Then you do the manual calculations to figure out how you want to allocate, and you pop that into Excel. Then what tends to happen is you then pull out the balances from the general ledger into Excel and figure out what your journal should look like. Using dynamic allocations, we can automate both the basis calculation, whether that's financial or statistical, and then calculate and post the journal at the scheduled time or on demand. So let's look at some examples of uses for the dynamic allocations module. Number one, sharing overhead costs, like utilities or rates based on square footage, splitting HR salaries across departments based on overhead counts, spreading indirect costs across funds, allocating salaries across projects based on hours worked, or even allocating benefits across those projects. Now we know both what the process looks like now and some examples of where we might want to use this. What does this process look like with dynamic allocations? Well, it's simple. Firstly, set up your allocation logic, including the source amounts that you want to allocate, the basis for the allocation calculation, and where you want to post to. And then all you do each month is either run or schedule the allocations to post themselves each month, and that's it. You can even drill down and export the calculations and outputs for the auditors so they know the exact logic that sits behind it. So, if you would like to learn more about how you can automate your financials with ITAS, Sage Intacct's Partner of the Year, then jump onto one of our many demos or webinars, or for a more personalised approach, please give our knowledgeable team a call.